My name is Handlebar Lee, 1985 world champion, record holder, NHRA holder. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna play my drums, and I want you to watch this. Do 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 do. Now, these are handlebars. What I'm talking about, we're gonna show you another 30 minutes. These are my drums, and I'm gonna make handlebars off of these right now. Pay attention. These are my drums. Look. Do 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 do. These are my handlebars.
Handlebar Lee, what are you going to do right now?
Right now, this is a leg, and what I'm finna do is drill it. My drums. These are the drums. I'm finna mill it for this sensor here. Oh. This is a leg, and I'm finna drill it for the sensor right here. Don't forget. These are my drums I just showed you. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to drill it for the sensor. Okay?
All right.
All right. So I'm drilling this for the sensor. The 2008 would not run without a sensor. These are my drums. And right now, I'm drilling it for the sensor. I'm drilling a hole for the sensor. They gotta be 5 1/4 deep for the sensor to work. Now 2007, you don't need a sensor, but in 2008, it's fuel injection. This is what I'm doing right now. I'm drilling it out for the sensor. My drum. These are my new boards I'm building. These are drums. You just see me beating it. The drum. Tat, tat, tat. That's what I'm doing. I'm drilling. This is a leg. This is my magic grease right here. Now if you want to, you can send them out, but I have a leg to mill them in my business. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm drilling my drums. Don't want it to get too hot. Sometimes the bits get very dull. Very dull. You have to do this for 2008. A 2008 would fit a 2007, 2006, 2005. The drums. That's the new name I'm gonna call it. Now I'm not gonna lick this bar right here. I'm not gonna be a damn fool with this one.
Why not, Handlebar?
Oh my God, I have first degree burn. So we're drilling and taking our time. We have one more step.
What kind of handlebars are this going to be, Handlebar Lee?
The drums. Didn't you see me beating them?
Oh, it's going to be some new ones like the Canomas?
I said they're gonna be the drums.
Okay.
You just see me beating them, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
All right then. Okay, you can what I'm finna do? The magic trick. Handlebar Lee magic. Wow. Sure is good to be Handlebar Lee, I'll tell you that now. So what I'm finna do now, I'm finna bend this bar. I'm finna bend the drums. Okay? What is Lee talking about? I'm finna show you. Oh yeah. These are my drums right here. Now what I'm doing right now, this is a robot. And it do all my manual bending for me. So my drums, we finna make some handlebars. Tit tat 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 tit tat. All right. So what I'm finna do right now, I'm finna make a 90-degree bend on my drums. Here we go. Let's do this together. Whoa! Kill you right. Come on back home, baby. Toodaloo. Toodaloo. Show you right. No. Do what you gotta do. Can't show it to you right now. Remember, these are my drums. Do what you got to do. Show you right. This is a height gauge here, so I'm gonna measure 18 inches with this bar here. My drums. We're gonna go 18 inches with it. All right? 18 inches here. This is my height gauge and this is my table. All right. So I'm marking it so I can put it back in the machine. And you better have it right because come out you have some 20s and you're looking for 18s. Okay? You have to know what you're doing. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm really marking like a woman do her face, eyebrows. You know, this is what I'm doing. I'm making some eyebrows. This mark right here, this big black mark right here. You better get it right. Or you gonna be in trouble. You gonna be in trouble. All right. We're gonna make some 18s. Right there. Okay? All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to the bender. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna make an extra bend. So we're gonna do a little trick today. That's what we're gonna do. Let's go back over here to the table. Everything, you better measure it. If you don't, you'll be everything will be off. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna measure this to make another bend. So we're gonna start from the top. 8 8/16, so we're gonna bend this board at, ooh, I can't do that. I gotta make this bend at 10 inches. Okay, let's bend it at 10. Here, 10 inches. I'm gonna make this bend at 10 inches. Here's my drums. Tat, tat, tat. The hell Lee talking about? Hell. You know what I'm talking about. All right. Now, I want this bar to come back to me. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make a mark in the center. You better have this mark right. That's what I'm doing right here. Kind of eyebrows ain't kind of working here a little bit, but it's gonna be okay. All right. Remember now, it's 10 inches. 10 inches. Let's see if I can make it. Okay, this is better. 10 inches. This is very, 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 you have to get this right. If you don't, you done damage the whole hand, the drums. You better have it right. Take it from me, I done messed up a whole lot of pipe. All right. So I'm going back to the bender. Remember, these are my drums. Tat, tat, tat. Let's go back over here. So now I'm going to put it back in the bender. Now, everything have marks. Everything have marks. So I'm going to put the machine back on 30. Now you better know what you're doing. This is 90 degrees here, this is 30. Don't forget to program it back. Or just swing all the way around to 90 degrees. And then you've been messed up the whole drum set. You know, so you better know what you're doing. So what I'm gonna do is make this mark. And I'm gonna go back to 10 on my dial here. So I'm gonna go back on 10. Better know what you're doing. to bring this line all the way back. So I can see this line. This line is telling me where to bend it at. So I'm going back. Put this mark on 10. Double check it twice, because once you bend the drums, you can't straighten it back out. You can't do that. That ain't working. That ain't working. All right. It look good to me. Do it look good to y'all?
It look good to me.
All right, let's do it. Do it to it. All right, no diggity. Let's push it. Let's go to 30. Make sure it's at 30, not 90, because it would take it all the way around. You just damn sure go already. You got to throw the drums away. So let's do the damn thing, all right? All right, here we go. All right. Okay. You got it? You got it. This is the handlebar here. Okay, got it. All right. This is the handlebar here. So now what we're going to do now, we're going to do the bottom of the handlebars. Of the drums. I keep saying handlebars. These are my drums. 15. All right. This is my makeup right now. Makeup to break up. It's so people we do. Makeup to break up. I'm putting the eyeball, put some on my face right here, okay? Take this little gray out right here, you know. Just do what I gotta do, you know what I'm saying? All right. Let's do the damn thing. All right. Now, you kind of checking things out. You're like, whoa, these are my drums though. I'm doing it right. You better do it right. Call me Mr. Right. All right, let's go back over here to the sheet. So now, what we do now, we gotta go all the way back to 90. Come back here and we get started. All the way back to 90, all over again. Make sure you get the numbers right before you mess with this machine. If you don't, pipes will be going all over the place, you know. It's like a person that, you know, it's like a baby hitting the drums and they ain't on tune until he learn. Same thing. All right, so we're gonna go back to 90. Do 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 do. Tit tat tat tit tat tat tat. Hey, what are you doing? I want you to really pay attention when I'm doing it at. And you can do it yourself. Next time when somebody call me, show me what you made of. All right, that's 45. I can't go there. I can't go to 30 either. Let's go back. Machine got 35 benders on it. Number one. Uh-oh, I found it. So what we're going to do, we're going to stick this back in here. These drums sure gonna sound good. All right. Now, this is where the key come in at. You better get ready. Put a big tape back. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is set this at a 45. Get your numbers together. You better, or you're gonna have some crooked drums, drum sets. All right. Double check it. You better double check it. Because you'll wonder, Lee, what did I do wrong? Okay. You see I'm double checking everything. Look at the machine, 90-degree bend. Checking this out, 45. We're going to have some drums in a minute. Okay. I'm ready if you're ready. Stay ready, Freddy. In this corner here, we got two. So let's do the damn thing. Ready? Let's check it one more time, 90. Let's check it over here one more time. It's on the mark. All right. This is what we're going to do. finna bend it. When I'm checking for everything, because like I said, once you bend it, you cannot come back.
All right.
Wow. Wow. Bam! How you like me now? I love my drums. Yeah, you see me beating it down on the ground a minute ago. But if you don't get it right, it ain't gonna be right. Okay? This is the left side, the right side. This is your left side of the handlebars. Okay. This is the drum. Bump, bump, ding, bump, bump, bump. Guess what? This is the same ball. How did I do that? I just showed you. Okay? This is one piece bar, not two pieces, not three pieces. This is the left side. It could be the right side. These are my drums. Remember, bump, bump, bump. This is this. Pay attention. You know how the teacher tell you in class, Lee, you know how many swats I had for not paying attention in class? Woo! She used to burn my butt up. Matter of fact, she had holes in the paddle. Woo, woo, woo. All right. This is the left side. This is the right side. Same bar. So we're gonna do a couple adjustments here, and then stay tuned. We're gonna do the right side. One of my workers left today, so I'm kind of tired because I'm old and broke down. But this is my drum. Remember, this is that. How you like me now?